Hello. We all know about the current health crisis that's affecting our country like none other. The COVID-19 outbreak has caused the loss of job for millions of workers and cut hours for millions more. But one of the things that I want to talk to you about today is the health care crisis that we're also experiencing. Unfortunately, here in the state of Florida, we had thousands of unfilled CNA positions before this crisis ever started. We had a CNA shortage. Now, unfortunately, with the healthcare crisis, that shortage has even gotten worse because we have a whole lot more sick people, and the CNAs that we did have, a lot of them either left the field completely or they're unable to fulfill their obligations because of childcare issues or transportation issues. So we have a critical shortage of direct caregivers here in Florida. Now, some of you may be afraid. You may think, oh my gosh, I don't want to be a CNA right now because of the health crisis. I don't want to get sick. But you need to understand that there's a lot of people, a lot of patients in our communities that need care that don't have COVID. You know, our patients with advanced heart disease, they didn't get better all of a sudden because COVID showed up. Our patients that are homebound and elderly, their need for showers and help with cleaning, that didn't change all of a sudden because of COVID-19. We have a lot of healthcare needs in our community that are currently going unfilled. And this is a very, very, very critical time for our nation. So if you have the heart to give back, if you're looking for a way to help your community, then I would like to invite you to a free CNA caregiving class that I will be hosting virtually starting next Monday, so a week from now. I will be teaching live. This will be broadcast via web direct to you, but you will be interacting with me as if you were in a classroom setting. You're going to be hearing my lectures live and you're going to be asking questions. You'll be interacting with other students. There will be homework assignments. I will hold you accountable. There will be practicing that you'll have to do, and you'll have to demonstrate your skills to me virtually. The only thing that you're required to have for this class is going to be a device that's able to get onto the internet. Computers and tablets work better because there is a chat function in the program that I'm using that you can access if you're using a computer or a tablet. But if you don't have one of those, you can actually watch me live with your cell phone. That works as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you are the type of person that really wants to give back to your community, or maybe you just have a neighbor that you want to take care of and you want to know the right way to do it to keep yourself safe, feel free to join me in this free caregiving class that will start next Monday. I can only take 16 students per session. The more people I have sign up, the more sessions I'll put in. I have to keep the classes small so I can have one-on-one communication with you and I can be able to check off the skills. And this is a class that I run every single month, and I usually charge several $100s to come sit in my live classroom. I'm doing this for free for the community need. The only thing that you'll need is a CNA Skills Study Guide, because I will refer to that, and you will have homework reading in it as well. Now, if you're concerned about the quality of education, let me tell you a little bit about who I am. My name is Patricia Laramie. I am an RN, and I produce books, videos, and resources for hospitals, schools, training centers, nursing homes, job corps all over the country. And I also teach an in-class CNA test prep as well to get people ready for the CNA state exam. Our YouTube channel has over 16 million views. We're the #1 searched CNA preparation company in America. And I'm doing this for you for free because we need you. We need you to care for the people that can't care for themselves. So if this sounds like something that would be beneficial to you, if this is something that you might get satisfaction out of, click the link below and register for a free CNA test prep class. In the state of Florida, you do not have to have any classroom time or clinical hours to take the CNA state exam. So this is something, guys, that would benefit you long term if you're looking to get into healthcare, but it's also going to benefit your community short term by helping shuttle healthcare workers into the those critical need areas. So if this is something that you might be interested in, just click the link below, fill out the registration form, get it back to me as soon as possible because I have to close it once it hits 16. If there's a lot of demand, then I'll put another one on as well. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there, wash your hands, and practice social distancing. And I'll see you at the first class.